Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete your personal data from Amazon ads system. So if you don't want to have your personal data stored there and they're recommending things to you, then you can clear your personal data with ease. So how do you delete your personal data from Amazon ads system? You want to first log into your Amazon account and click on the accounts and list on the upper right hand side. Once you click on there, you're going to open up a whole lot of different options here, but you want to scroll down to a section that says communication and content and look for advertising preferences and click on that. Now this is going to show you a section where you have your interests based on preferences. Here you want to scroll down on this page and you will find the section that says delete my personal information from or ads system. All you have to do, guys, is simply click on delete ads data, and that's going to go ahead and delete your ads data from that. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. That's how you delete your personal data from Amazon ad system. That's it.